So you want to learn how to do a smoky eye. Come on, girl. First thing you'll need is a blending fluffy brush. This is the Culture 2 palette, and that burnt orange shade, I don't know how to pronounce her, but she'll be on the screen. Always make sure you tap out the excess product in your brush. So what you guys can see I'm doing here is I'm doing swiping motions followed by mini circular motions, just so that I can pack the product by also blending the product as well. Y'all say hi to Maybelline. This is the color tattoo in the shade Wristmaster. And the reason why your black eyeshadow is patchy when you try to do this is because you're not going in with a cream first. Look how jet black she is, okay? This is what you need, and she's cost efficient. Rule of thumb, I always look up and I don't want to take the cream above my crease. That's when things start to get a little muddy. So I start near my lash line, and this allows me to place the product and also get my creases and crevices that I might not see or might not focus too much on. Always start at the lash line. This is the Morphe's Neutral Territory palette, and I'm going in with their black eyeshadow. Y'all, please do not ask me why I went in with this brush to pack something on. What is wrong with me? Like, that was very dumb of me. Do not make my mistakes. Go in with a packing brush first. Now I'm going in with the brush that I used to blend out that orange, and I'm trying to marry the two colors together. And what I noticed is it really wasn't blending how I liked it to. So I eventually had to go in with a brown from the Neutral Territory palette, and that allowed me to kind of, get a more seamless blend. So if you're not a master at it already, it's okay, girl, because I'm going to show you a second time. Now let's play some trivia, okay? Let's make it fun. Where do we start at, y'all? Where do we put the cream at first? The lash line. Okay. Just making sure you guys were tuned in and ready for class, okay? This will allow you to really take your time and get all the creases and crevices. It looks like Rachel caught some sense around here because now I'm using a packing brush to place that black eyeshadow on top of the cream. Go, Rachel. Now I'm going in with a defined blending brush, and I'm going in between those two colors using the one I used for the black eyeshadow and just blending it all together. And once again, it still wasn't blending how I would like, so I went back in with the Morphe Neutral Territory palette with the dark brown, and I was able to create a seamless blend. While I was doing this eye, I noticed that the front of this eye wasn't blending how I wanted it to in the front, so I spent some time fixing that up. This is the time where you would go in to make sure all your colors are as muted or as vibrant as you want. So I went back in with some black, some browns, just to make sure everything was doing what it needed to do and that I wasn't washing any of the colors out. So finally, I'm going in with that burnt orange shade underneath of my eyeliner, blending the two to give that seamless, diffused blend that I know and love. And y'all, that is really the end. It's really that simple. If you know how to blend, girl, you know how to do it, okay? Thank you so much for tuning into your girl. I love you guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe.